Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at a tool that could seriously change the game for technical interviews. It's called CodingVeil, and it's basically your own private AI assistant built to help you absolutely crush those super stressful coding challenges. Let's dive right in.
You know the feeling. We've all been there. You're sharing your screen, the interviewer is watching every single keystroke, and the pressure is just immense. You're trying to think clearly, explain your logic out loud, and write perfect code all at once. It's honestly one of the most nerve-wracking parts of any job hunt. But what if you had a secret weapon?
And that's exactly where this comes in. Meet CodingVeil. I want you to think of this as your personal, totally invisible AI assistant, just running quietly in the background, ready to jump in and help you solve any coding problem they throw at you. The whole idea is actually pretty simple, but it's incredibly powerful. CodingVeil gives you this entire AI-driven toolbox to use during your interview, but here's the most important part. It's engineered to be completely invisible to your interviewer while you're screen sharing.
And here is the magic trick. On your screen, you see the CodingVeil toolbox. You see the AI's answer laid right over your screen. But on their end of that Zoom call or Google Meet or whatever, all they see is your normal coding window. That's it. It is literally like having a co-pilot that only you can see.
So how do you even get started with this thing? Let's just walk through the setup. It's designed to be really quick and painless, so you can get up and running in no time.
Okay, so the toolbox is your mission control. Once you sign in, you only need to remember 3 key moves. First, Command-K. That instantly captures the problem on your screen. Second, Command-Enter. That sends the problem to the AI for the solution. And third, Command-R, which just clears the screen for the next problem. That's it. That's your workflow. Capture, ask, and reset.
Just a quick heads up for all you Mac users out there, the very first time you hit that screen capture command, you're going to get a little pop-up asking for screen recording permissions. No big deal. You just hop into your system settings, give CodingVeil the green light, restart the app, and you're good to go forever. If you're on Windows, you can just ignore this part completely.
Now, the free version is really your trial run. Its whole purpose is to let you prove to yourself that everything works with your computer and your setup. You can, hop on a Zoom call with a buddy, share your screen, and confirm with your own eyes that the app is 100% invisible to them. It's all about that peace of mind before you even think about upgrading. So once you've confirmed that the invisibility cloak is working on your machine, you are ready to unlock the app's real power. The Pro version is where you get access to all the good stuff, the full AI solutions. Upgrading is super simple. You just click Upgrade Now inside the app. It takes you to the website where you pick your plan, and then you complete the payment. It is worth pointing out that right now payment is through crypto, but it looks like credit card support might be coming down the line. After that, boom, the app just unlocks all the Pro features for you. And what does Pro actually get you? Well, it runs on a credit system, and it's dead simple. 1 credit equals 1 full AI-generated solution to a problem. The standard plan hooks you up with 100 credits, which is honestly more than enough to prep for and handle a whole bunch of interviews in 1 month.
Okay, enough talk. Theory is one thing, but let's see this thing in action. We're going to take on a real LeetCode problem. This one's called Asteroid Collision, to show you precisely how you'd use CodingVeil in a live interview scenario.
The whole process really boils down to 4 simple steps. 1, you capture the problem. 2, you ask the AI for the answer. 3, and this is key, you use the AI's breakdown to explain your thought process to the interviewer. And 4, you just write the code. All right, so we've got the LeetCode problem on the screen. What's your first move? You guessed it, hit Command-K. You'll see a little purple circle pop up on the icon, which confirms you've captured the challenge. Now the AI has everything it needs. Then you hit Command-Enter and bam, the solution overlay appears. But look closely, it is not just a chunk of code. This is the killer feature. It gives you a full breakdown, an analysis of the problem, the best approach, in this case using a stack, and even the time and space complexity. This right here gives you the exact talking points you need to sound like a genius explaining your logic before you've even typed a single line of code.
And hey, here's a pro tip for you. Do this before your interview starts. Go into the settings and preset your language of choice. Python, Java, you name it. You can also pick the platform mode.
So you get answers that are fine-tuned for a site like LeetCode versus just a regular editor. A tiny bit of prep here makes a huge difference. And the experience of actually coding is pretty wild. The AI solution just floats there on top of your screen, but you can type right through it into your own editor. You're basically tracing the perfect answer. And if you ever want a clear view for a second, just hit Command H and the overlay vanishes and reappears instantly. So you've explained the strategy, you've typed out the code. What's the end result? Does this stuff actually hold up? Let's check out the performance.
Yep, it holds up. After submitting that AI-generated code, the LeetCode result comes back with a runtime that beats 94.42% of all other user submissions. That tells you you're not just getting an answer, you're getting a highly efficient, top-tier solution that really stands out.
And that's really the bottom line, isn't it? When you have a tool that gives you this level of analysis and perfectly optimized code, you're not just solving this one problem. You're putting yourself in a position to confidently ace pretty much any challenge they can come up with.